Hey everyone, Dave from Repair Daily. I need a Wi-Fi extender. I need to get my Wi-Fi from my home out to my detached garage. Do they work? How well do they work? We're going to find that out today. Just stay tuned. Okay, so for my project today, here's my issue. I've got my internet's coming in on this side of the house, and right below it in my basement is the router and Wi-Fi. What I need to do, I need to reach clear over to my detached garage. And even though I do get a signal over there, it's weak and it's not strong enough to stream. So I've been looking into these Wi-Fi extenders, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to connect the Wi-Fi extender on this end of the house and see if I get a good strong signal to stream in my garage. So this is where our project takes place. We are on the exterior wall on the opposite side of the house from where my internet enters the house. My house is, I don't know, approximately 55 feet long or so, and I'm on the opposite end. And as you can see, there's my garage. It's out there another, I think it's about 7-8 yards, 25 feet, something like that. And we need to get that signal out there. So I believe we're going to be able to bring our extender, our Wi-Fi extender, and plug it in here, connect to our service on the opposite end of the house, and extend that signal out to that garage. This is my little LG TV that I set up with my Roku attached here to the bottom. I just couldn't get a signal that's strong enough out here to stream. I want to be able to watch videos and so on. So anyway, we'll get this Wi-Fi extender set up and see if we have a signal. This is my existing Wi-Fi in my home. I have a fiber optic line coming in from outside, going to my Windstream wireless router, internet, and Wi-Fi. So we're going to connect to this, get that signal out to the garage. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi extender that I bought. This is the Linksys model RE6350. I've already ran the setup and connected it to my home internet, my home Wi-Fi here. And I'm not going to get into all the setup. There's several videos on YouTube that will show the setup. It is not difficult at all. But we're going to plug this in. And as soon as that light goes solid green, I will be connected to my home Wi-Fi, and we will run out to the garage and check our signal out there and see if we can stream out there. That's what I'm hoping to be able to do. Okay, so our Wi-Fi extender is showing green. Let's go out to the garage and check the connection. Okay, so my TV did connect to the wireless network, the Wi-Fi in my home, and let's see if it will stream.
Hey everyone,
well, looky there.
Dave from Repair Daily. So
now I can be out here in my garage,
we have a new deck on the house,
stream my YouTube videos, listen to some music, and everything's good. I wasn't sure how well the Wi-Fi extenders actually work. I've seen them out there for a while, and thought I'd give them a try. And they seem to work out really well. So let me turn this down. So if you like this type of content, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.